It's cookies time. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. This cookies recipe is one in a million. It is so amazing, and trust me, you are going to fall in love with this recipe. So all you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. Yes, today we're making peanut cookies, and to begin with this special cookies, let's begin by creaming margarine a little bit. I'll be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. As you can see, this margarine looks super soft. It's room temperature, and that's what I'm looking for. You can also use butter if that is what you want. Okay, now to the most important ingredient, which is peanuts or groundnut paste. This is homemade peanut butter. You can also buy yours from the local market and you are good to go. Every peanut paste be peanut paste. That was just by the way. Okay, so after adding in the peanut paste, all that is left is to use a hand whisk to whisk it a little bit, just the way you see it on the screen right now. We want everything to really incorporate beautifully. All right, so whilst everything is nice and well combined, I also go in with some sugar. Kindly adjust the sugar to your taste. We're going to stir everything once again until the sugar dissolves or mixes very well with the rest of the ingredients. Now, whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after mixing everything together, I also added in 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Kindly feel free to use the powdered one if that is what you want. Okay, all right, so after mixing everything together, all that is left is to sift in all-purpose flour. And as I said, don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. All right, so we're going to sift in the flour, and once that is done, we will proceed to our next stage. For this recipe, I'm not going to go in with any baking powder, and I also didn't add in salt because of the margarine and also the peanut butter. It all contains a little bit of salt, so no need for that. You can also add in salt to your preferred taste, and also for the baking powder, it is totally optional. Okay, you can choose to add it though. So now let's combine everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. And while stirring everything together, I realized the dough was a little bit soft, so I needed to go in with additional half cup of all-purpose flour. Alright, so now we're going to use our hands to combine everything beautifully until it forms a beautiful dough, just the way you see it on the screens right now. The dough should come out from the bowl very neat and just perfect. Alright, so this is the perfect dough that we're looking for. All that is left right now is to allow this dough to rest in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Most of the questions I get from some of my cookies recipes is that if you don't have a refrigerator, what do you have to do? My dear, you don't have to do anything. All that is left is to roll out your dough and bake it, and you are good to go. You don't need to stress yourself at all. So you don't want soft life, eh? Just kidding. But also keeping the dough in refrigerator also helps. Working with the cookies very easy and also makes the cookies turn out really good after it's nicely baked. But if you don't want it, that's just fine. You don't need to stress yourself, okay? Now, so all that is left is to begin to roll out the dough to get to the perfect thickness that we wanted. Once that is done, we're going to use our cookie cutter to cut the dough until everything is nice and perfect. You can use your knife or any other thing that can help you create that beautiful looks on your cookies. You can use it and you are good to go. Alright, so now whilst that is going on, I want to also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cutting the cookies, as you can see, this turned out really good. I'm going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And also, giving the video a thumbs up is absolutely free, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring cookies recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after creating that beautiful shortbread cookie shapes that we're looking for, all that is left is to bake this in our oven, and we're going to be baking this under 120 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes, and it should be ready. So now let's bake it, and after baking, this is the outcome. Yes, our biscuits or our cookies turn out really good. This cookies taste like dakwa. I don't know how Nigerians call it, but I know Nigerians also make that snack. It's peanut and a little bit of spicy ingredients in it. Trust me, it is just like dakwa, and also it is like peanut burger. Yes, in fact, everybody in the house really enjoyed these cookies. The taste was just amazing. If you love peanut burger or if you love dakwa, then this cookies recipe is also another substitute for it. You can try it out and you're going to love it. At this point, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this special cookies recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and you're going to love it. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point. Do subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this, and see you in my next upload. Bye.